some reason I was just thinking it's like to be anyone over there because of all that shrapnel raining down, and I realised fireworks.
Big ones. I want big ones.
I want like double huge ones. I just have like one big land out here.
Yes, I like those ones.
I can't remember where I've seen fireworks like that. It was somewhere fun.
What is this?
I don't know, it sounds familiar. But why are they changing so quickly? Because like someone has a really short attention span.
It's like me. Oh my god, it's High School Musical.
But it's like Luke. Luke, he can't listen to the song for like 5 seconds. It hurt him in Vietnam. I made him watch one song, listen to one song through, and he was like, "I change it, please." And I was like, "No." Pretty though. Ooh, it's pretty. Why are they still playing this musical? I don't know.
Anybody watching this video is gonna be like, shut your fucking commentary.
Just listen to it on mute, you douche.
Ooh, lights.
I'm getting bored of fireworks.
Bored of fireworks. I just fixed it. It was the apocalypse. You missed it.
A massive bang in the sky.
Oh, my arm's hurting.
I'm gonna live here forever.
They're playing Glee.
What? You hate Glee?
I said they're playing.
I was like, what? No, you don't. Don't lie. Double tiered!